Good morning, everyone. Beginning with the topic public health challenges in India. What challenges we as a citizens face, and what challenges does the government faces in maintaining the health of its citizens? The very first one is low educational status, poor functional literacy. People are not aware about the pros and cons of certain habits, right? People are not aware whatever they are consuming, whatever they are taking, whether it is harmful or whether it is useful for them, right? People are simply just taking it. People are unaware of the nutritional values. People are unaware of the you can say chemical intakes. People are unaware of many things due to which their health suffers. Low accent on education with the healthcare system, low priority for health in the population, among others. Role of government in public health. The role of the government in influencing population health is not limited within the health sector, but also by various sectors outside the health systems. Health system strengthening, the major part of government. We have to strengthen our health system so that we are ready to fight any kind of disease. Human resource development, definitely we need more and more doctors as well, right? Because if doctors will not be there, who will be our team, who will be fighting with these diseases? Capacity building and regulation in public health. Duty of government for public health: assuring an adequate local public health infrastructure, promoting healthy communities and healthy behaviors, preventing the spread of communicable disease, protecting against environmental health hazards, preparing for and responding to emergencies. Why is public health important? Public health is important due to aiding and prolonging life. Through the prevention of health issues, individuals can spend more of their years in good health. Public health helps detect health issues as early as possible and responds appropriately to avoid the development of diseases. All right. So you will go through these once again. The very first one was public health challenges in India. Whatever challenges we as citizens face and whatever challenges our government faces, right, to protect us from any kind of diseases, to maintain a healthy environment around us. Fine. So what are the challenges? Low educational status, poor functional literacy, low accent on education with the healthcare system, low priority for health in the population, among others. Then role of government in public health, we have discussed about it. Duty of government for public health, and why is public health important. Now class, what you will do is you will just go through these slides once again, right? And make sure you do your homework on time. This is the homework which I have given you. Fine. So submit it on time. Thank you.